Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to delete pages in PDF with Bubble API connector. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. To begin, log into your Bubble account and go to My Templates page. Next, click on the New Template button. We will fill out the form fields to create a new template. Then, click on the Edit icon to open a new template. Now, click on the Start with a blank page button and close the assistant. Let's add an elements. Click or drag input for the source file. And add a button to send a request. Next, click on the Plugins tab and add plugins. Under Install New Plugins, look for API Connector and click the Install button. After installing the API Connector plugins, click on the Add Another API. Let's set up the API Connector configuration. In the API name field, enter your preferred API name. In the name field, add your desired name. For the Use As, click the drop-down box and select the Action option. For the Data Type drop-down box, select your desired data type option. Then, select Post for method. And add the PDF.co PDF delete pages endpoint. You can get the endpoint in PDF.co API docs. For the first key under headers, add X API key. And enter your PDF.co API key for the value. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. For the second key also under headers, add accept. And type application/file for the value. Now, let's add the parameters. For the first key param, type in URL. And enter the source file URL for the value. For the second key param, type in pages. And enter the list of pages to remove. Then, tick on the Queries checkbox. And click on the Initialize Call button. Once the API connector was successful, the PDF.co PDF delete pages will return a sample value. Now, go to the Workflow tab and click the Add an Event box. Then, select the Elements, and an element is clicked option. Then, click on the Add an Action button and select the PDF.co delete pages plugin. Let's insert the dynamic data. Map the input source file's value for the URL param. Then, add the list of pages to remove. Now, add another action. Click on the navigation and select the Open an External website. Then, choose the PDF.co delete pages body URL result for the destination. And click the Preview button. Add the source file URL, and click the Send Request button to see the result. Here's the output that we successfully deleted 2 pages. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.